Welcome to the XRMinute tutorial series. I am Ernest, and in today's episode, we'll be looking at styles for Skybox by Blockade Labs. If you have missed the previous episode, this remarkable tool allows you to transform your text into stunning 3D environments in a blink of an eye. Let's dive in. Search up Skybox AI. Click on the first option. Press confirm and click on get started. So over here, you'll see many different types of styles. So with these styles, we have the power to alter our environment by giving it a distinct look and feel. For example, we can make it appear scary, cartoonish, or even look like it's part of a fantasy game. It's a fantastic way to let your imagination run wild and create a unique and captivating setting. Let's begin exploring how styles work. So for my prompt, I will type in a serene retreat with trees and a fix the clear link. And let's select for style sci-fi. Click on generate. Looking quite good. So for our next style, we'll try fantasy. So it's called Fantasy Lens. So once you select it, click on Generate. And for our final style, let's try out Cartoon. Click on Generate. Looking pretty good. So have a go at the different styles available in Blockade Labs and see what you can create.